What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and follow me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat. Behind me right here we have some carbon fiber goodies, but that's not what this video is about. That will be in the next video. Right now we're about to change the fog lights out to Diode Dynamics. Alright guys, so first thing first that we're going to do is remove the screw in the hole. And then just pull this off. And there's one screw here, one screw here. Alright guys, so once you get those two screws out, there's two push tabs right here. You push on them and it simply just removes. Here's the Diode Dynamics lights. Just simple plug and play. Alright guys, to remove this, it should just simply twist and pull out. Do the opposite to install, of course. Alright guys, so as you see there's a piggy tail. It just plugs into the stock one and you just kind of tuck that wiring inside. And snap it right into place. Alright guys, as you see, they are both working. Time to button everything back up and it installs simply that easily. Takes maybe 15 minutes to complete. So the only reason why I switched over to the Diode Dynamic lights is because I had one of my fog lights out. A buddy of mine posted a video on Instagram and another buddy of mine noticed that my fog light was out. Now that was like 6 months ago that he posted it, and we just recently noticed that it was out. So now we replaced them. They are super bright, it seems like. I will see for sure tonight. Let's put on the plastics and then the install is done. Alright guys, so that concludes today's install with the Diode Dynamic fog lights. A short video, really big improvement from stock obviously. I haven't driven it during the night, but it just seems so much brighter. Make sure you tune into the next video to see the carbon fiber goodness get installed. If you have any guesses on what it is, go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section below with the brand and what kind of object it is. Some of you probably already know because I've spoken to some of you and told you that I ordered it. If you're one of those people, please don't ruin it for others. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm out. Yeah, boy.